Courtney. It's my dream come true.
Your dream? Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we will catch up with y'all. Right now we're having some dinner, some Chardonnay.
Yeah.
Courtney doesn't love what's on the menu.
No, I mean you're limited. More something different.
Babe, I don't think we're gonna get different here. We have to go out on the local street to get different. See? Oh my god, she's going with the whole buckle. God have mercy. A little more.
Not enough, you know it.
One glass? Yeah. $8?
I have to check because I think that one is Alamos, but I can give you the same price.
How much is this?
I think this is 12.
12?
Yeah.
Taste it. Fresh.
What?
Beautiful.
Can I have a gin tanker?
Something?
Yeah.
Tony?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby daddy's treating me today. Yes, baby.
Yeah, what if I see it?
Maybe I'm hypnotized. Likewise, I'm so surprised. You play with my mind, and I own you, girl. Maybe we'll die tonight. Is there some compromise till the end of time? And I own you, girl. Your love is electric.
Yeah, guys, so I'm having my glass of Chardonnay. Courtney's waiting on his gin, but we're having dinner. And yeah, this place called Kava 15 at the JW Marriott. It's exciting. I can't wait to explore tomorrow. You ready to explore tomorrow, babe?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for?
When you spend all your money. You can go on tripping.
Nah, you know about this, man.
Our money.
Okay, so your money is our money.
You're
So
not
therefore, the
money.
money we have is ours.
I have no
Well,
money.
of course it is ours. Yes, it is ours. Anyway, guys, we'll catch back to you later when the food comes. Is this the rosa con pollo? Oh, in a ball?
Yeah.
That's different.
That's perfect.
You said crab cake? You said crab cake? Oh. More? More coming?
No,
Just this? Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know. Okay, it's fine. Thank you. Oh my god, hi guys! Good morning! It's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. So, babe, stop no. So this is our first morning in Panama. How you feel, baby?
Feeling good.
We about to like work out now. What if I'm in a man, my hand tired?
Big like sure.
So, no.
Okay.
We're about to go work out, and then after we work out, we're gonna have breakfast, and then who knows what will happen throughout the rest of the day. We don't know what will happen for the rest of the day, but stay tuned, guys. Yesterday was an adventure. Comment below, guys. Have you ever been to Panama? And what was your experience? Alright? We'll catch you when we're in the gym working out. Peace! How do you do this? Use a keypad, babe. Use a keypad. Gym time. You ready, baby? Hello, mañana.
Maybe I'm hypnotized. Likewise, I'm so surprised. You play with my mind, and I own you, girl. Maybe we'll die tonight. Is there some compromise till the end of time? And I own you, girl. Your love is electric. Your love is electric. You make me so crazy. You make me feel sexy. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C.
Man, you hurt yourself. Go there, babes. Yeah. I'll be in a bar saying hello to him tonight. Yes, babe. Go there, babe. Yeah, you. Mash it up. Yes, baby. Yes. Is that heavier than me? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Well, catch your practice. So guys, we just went to the gym and well, let me have blue eyes. We just went to the gym and we are going to now have breakfast. He must starve, he must go on the most way like him. I'm dead for hungry, but so I'm gonna go breakfast now, guys. I'll let y'all see what we're having for breakfast, and maybe afterwards we'll go to the mall. So stay tuned. Babes, one thing about Panama, they don't have no sunshine. I mean, since the rainy season this week. So this is us going to breakfast. Baby's starving as well. We're going. About to head down this elevator now and go to Brekkie. Ow! Dude, stop. Put somebody in there. Yo, I'm telling you, this guy is so crazy right now. No, sir. Me have my pride. A 15?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys. Elevator, Ella.
The 15 level?
SL, baby. SL 15 on the same thing. Alright. Breakfast, guys. Oh, nice.
Un poquito de sirope.
Beautiful. Hey, what you getting?
Everything.
Looks good, right?
No,
You want fruits? Every kind of fruit?
Yeah. I don't know if it's that Spanish food. I know that.
Oh boy, I can't be bothered. Anyway.
Yeah, hey guys. Now there. About to eat some breakfast.
We'll get it when we're done. I think it's just too much. Because there's a lot of stuff there. They got cheese. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff, guys. So we are just sitting down having breakfast at the JW Marriott in Panama. I would highly recommend this place. It's beautiful. What you think, baby?
Yeah,
It's a nice place. Really enjoy it. It's very tropical and beautiful. So yeah, we're just gonna eat our breakfast. I don't know, babe. Why you touch my plate first? You fighting me, no man.
I think so. Say it made poison.
Too late. Oh, what is? A fried breadfruit. This them called a cacao.
Thank you.
We just got fruits.
Yeah, but you got some go eat.
Huh?
Go eat some my hair.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you know that.
No, we don't know that. I want my stuff. Don't play with me. No. Babe, stop. Guys, look at the sun come out. It was good. We're heading to the mall now. Babe buying his American Eagle stuff. How much will it come up to, guys? American Eagle store. Think American Eagle cheap? When they had tax, oh, they had no tax. Nice. Corvette. You like them over there for sure? Babe, no pick up from one section, you know? Look how much nice one there, so.
I want me one. Go.
Oh, it's what he want. But yeah, he's having a hard time. In here, she did You see the sizes down here?
Tengo otra mesa con la misma opción. De la pan.
No.
Okay. Puedes combinar con el pink.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what the hell he just said. So if you like onion, so you have to go down to the medium or large section. I'm a large now. Sadly, I'm a large, but yeah. Go ahead, babe. Just choose the fiber you like. Babe, you like this at all? Anyway, later. It's gonna be put in the bag.
Huh?
It's gonna be put in the bag.
So that's what I give. They carry your bag.
No, I don't want to carry my bag.
Oh, so you don't carry mine? I'm carry yours.
You know, my dream was to work in Victoria's Secret at one point.
Happy dream, right?
Hmm?
Happy dream, right?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we're at the Soho Mall right now. What a big old mall, guys. Like, I'm tired. But yeah, so far it's so good. You want to go to airport still? Seriously? Okay, we'll go to airport still. The temperature thing there. Oh, but you should get one of them shirts. Those are nice. Alright, see y'all soon.